Hey guys, we have here our lava lamp, and as you may know, sometimes these lamps take an awful long time to actually warm up until the lava really flows and when the lamp really looks nice. So in this video I want to show you here how to speed up this process by quite a bit, and that is pretty easy. We're just going to wrap some aluminum foil around the lamp. Now in this case here, because we want to take a look at how this works later on, I'm going to wrap this aluminum foil only partially around the lamp so that we can still see what's going on as we turn it on. But of course, if you want to use this method at home, then I suggest you wrap the entire lamp in this aluminum foil so that it really warms up quickly. Okay, so now let us compare this new method with the aluminum foil. Let's compare this to the regular method where we don't wrap anything around the lamp and see which version is faster. So I just turned both of the lamps on, so let's see which one warms up quicker. And of course we're not going to wait all this time. I'm going to speed this up here and let's see what happens. And now we are already at almost 30 minutes, and you can see here nothing really moved on either side. Like the wax just maybe lifted up on both sides just a little bit, so you can see it kind of warms up. But in general, there's not much movement. We're still waiting for like the initial movement that really everything gets going. And now just around 1 hour, that's when we see here the left side. Just give it a couple more seconds. Now you see the left side, the one with aluminum, that one really started to get going. So you see it has built this pillar here, this pillar that goes all the way up. So that's usually the first thing that happens with these lamps, is that this pillar builds up and then eventually later on it will keep going and liquefy more, and then those bubbles will be created. And on the right side, there's just a little bit of movement, like there's this one blob of wax that just floated up towards the top. But in general, there's not much more going on at this point. So now let's fast forward a little bit more. And we are almost at 1 hour and 15 minutes here, that now this little tiny pillar starts to build up. You see how this on the right side, how it kind of starts to get moving, and at 1 hour at 20 minutes it's still just kind of creeping along, but now eventually here, now the 1 hour 25 minutes, that's when it starts to actually build up also this pillar. You see, this is now comes slowly, grows slowly, keeps going up and up. But at the same time, look, check out the left side. So with aluminum, that is now really breaking down again. And this is the point where it usually builds the wax balls or the lava, the real lava movement. You see this here in 1 hour 30. The right side has now completely built up that pillar that just sits there for a while. And the left side, that's now already collapsing again, and the lava is building up and it's kind of breaking into these balls, and they are shortly going to start going up and down. Okay, so now you see here it starts 1 hour and 37. Now there's like a one huge blob of the lava that goes up, and instantly it just breaks down and falls apart, and now it really gets going. 1 hour and 40 minutes already. We have here movement on the left side, the one with the aluminum foil, while the right side is just sitting there. It's not really doing anything at this point. It just keeps warming up, but it doesn't seem to have any movement. And now the left side is really starting to move, and it's going up and down. And at this point now, 1 hour 45 minutes or 1 hour 50 minutes, now the right side also starts to get moving. So there's some movement on the right side as well, but the left side is already really warmed up and it's working as it's supposed to be. So technically we can now completely remove the aluminum foil from the left side, and it's really going as it should be. But also consider here that the left side for this camera, for the video, we actually didn't completely wrap the aluminum foil around the lamp. So if you were to do this completely, then the wax would probably warm up much faster also, and the lamp would be fully operable a lot faster than what we've seen here in the video. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.